What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. Alright, so I already started on a little bit of this for the truck, but this right here is a more bracket Mountain Off-Road Enterprises. This is a bracket for ARB, a dual compressor, and the 1 gallon tank. I got it in red. It's so pretty. So very pretty. It's powder coated. The box underneath is from East Coast Gear Supply. It has the dual ARB compressor, 1 gallon tank, manifold kit, and the inflation kit. And I got the digital kit, digital inflation kit coming as well, which allows you to turn the app on your phone, set a specific PSI number. The compressor will turn off when it's done airing up that in particular number. Now, I already used one of these Bluebird hoses. It's a next gen rubber air hose, 5 foot 3/8 hose with 1/4 inch fittings, 300 PSI, 1200 burst strength. And it's the only hose I could find that was -50 to 190 degrees. Now, I already put some of these red couplers right here on these, and I'll show you what I did. I haven't started on the compressor or anything yet, but this will do for now. Here's Ruby, the 2007 Sport Edition 4-wheel drive, the 4.7 liter V8. All right, so here's that blue hose I just showed inside. I ran it this way. There's a coupler on it. It's long enough to run to the compressor. So I got that done, and I actually mounted it right here for now. So on the license plate mount, I mounted, there's one coupler, just a little bracket, another coupler straight into the hose. The reason I did it this way is if this hose explodes or anything like that, I could just slide the hose out, replace it, pop another one on, slide it in, couple it, it's good to go. Now, I wanted this coupler to be actually mounted up here, but because you can't come through up here because the grill's here and the grill goes up with the hood. So I ran it down. I was hoping to snake it up back here and up here, but it looks like that's too short. I thought about putting it here. This bolt is way too big for this bracket. I did it because I wanted it actually mounted facing forward so I could just plug in. But I mean, to the side's not bad. But you know, the other option would be to mount it up here so it's behind this piece, which isn't a bad idea. I'd have to just drill a hole like right here. I haven't decided yet. It is completely hooked up though on this side. All I got to do, and these are quick couplers, so these stay unlocked and open, as you can see, and it allows you to quick connect. So this hose is going to run right here, and I'm actually trying to decide, I might route it this way around the box, come back right here and run this way to the compressor. The compressor is going to be sitting here with the tank, but I mean, this isn't a bad setup at all. It might get a little hot in this engine bay for this hose. I don't know. I mean, it was only 14 bucks, and hey, I mean, it'll look good in here. But just a quick video, guys. I'll be doing a video on the ARB stuff in a little while. It is really, really hot out here. I need to tighten up this European wing on this ram guard in a few minutes. That's why I got some tools out here, but just giving you guys an update. I mean, snake it in there, it won't interfere with the grill that moves up and down with the hood, so I think it'll come out nice. That bracket is pretty nice too, powder coating, bright red. And what I'm gonna do is I picked up, and I got a mess in here because of bolts and hardware and all kinds of stuff. But here's the bracket. I picked up a couple cans actually. Probably only need one. I'd rather have an extra for something else. I really like this claret wine in satin, which is what these emblems are. Yeah, they're dark from far away. They look pretty good. This grill I custom painted, which this used to be chrome all the way around. The center was black. This green piece was chrome. The emblems were chrome. So got rid of all the chrome. But I'm going to paint the ARB tank in this dark claret wine. I really like this color. It looks really good. It's going to offset against this bright red. That claret wine is actually pretty close to the actual salsa red on the truck. So it'll have a little bit contrast. It'll look like it'll belong. And I'll probably put some clear coat on it. And go about our day, and then we'll hook the ARB stuff up, which will be a YouTube video, as well as I'll post some little snippets of when it's done and just kind of give you guys a quick walkthrough on TikTok. But that is all I got for you guys right now. It is quite a mess in here. So I got to clean all this stuff up and start recording for the ARB stuff for the YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by as always. I know you guys can complain. It is a mess. But I will see you guys on the next one. Peace!